In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download your TikTok videos without the TikTok watermark. Let's get into it. So to do this, we need to head over to a website called SnapTik. I'll leave a link to this in the description of this video. Once you get onto the site, you can copy your TikTok link and just simply paste it on SnapTik. With that pasted, you can then go ahead and click the green download button, and then SnapTik give you a few options to download your video. I'm going to click Server 2 Full HD. I don't think it matters which one you choose. Of course, there are going to be ads because this is a free website. And as we can see on the left down here, we can see that SnapTik has downloaded that TikTok that I pasted into the website. I'm going to go ahead and drag this to my desktop and then just play it real quick. As you can see, it's downloaded the video without any TikTok watermark on it. This is great if you want to repurpose the video and use it on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or anywhere else. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more creative fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.